You Go Girl coming at you again on a Sunday afternoon out here off the coast of the Channel Islands. Just a beautiful day today too. So here's the deal. So we got winds about 10 knots. Speeds anywhere between 4 and 5. I'm pointing up kind of high. So it's kind of slowed the speed down. But today we got full sail. Nothing to write home about. Just a beautiful day. Although a little chilly, I got my beanie on today. You can see what's going on. We got the sun trying to break through, but she just ain't happening. But still beautiful out here. It's another excuse to get out here. See what's happening. She got the tiller pipe hooked up. You can see it hand steering the boat. Doing a pretty good job. The old trusty Simrad. It's kind of moving right along. A little solo sail today. Marta couldn't make it. She wanted to stay home and clean. Someone's got to do the chores. Nah, don't get it wrong. I do my part too. But here we go. Pointing about, I don't know if you can see that, about, oh, I don't know, about 45 degrees. And just nice day out here. Oh, she wanted me to show you guys these rails that I installed for her. It's actually pretty nice. And give the boat a different look, that's for sure. So the Oday 272 out on the Pacific again. Another day. Winds are starting to come up actually. This is nice as this marine layer kind of pushes through. I don't know if you guys can see the islands. We got Santa Cruz right there, and Anacapa to the left-hand side, and the old trusty Gina oil platform pumping that crude. All right, you guys, have a good Sunday.